Hey guys, Rain Queen Lexa Rose here, the Broke Beauty Guru, and this is another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. Today I wanted to kind of deviate from the Steven Universe inspired tutorials, and I wanted to kind of go into Starfire only because it's probably a more easier look for me to do with the time constraint here at my job. So, with that being said, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard the controversy surrounding the new Teen Titans TV show. The old Teen Titans from Cartoon Network is coming back, which I'm excited about. Not a big fan of Teen Titans Go, only because of the animation-wise. I like the regular Teen Titans because of the animation, because it made you think it was like a series show, but it really wasn't at the same time. I don't know. I'm finicky when it comes to animation. But a lot of people went a little crazy because of Starfire. In particular, the actress came under fire because for some strange reason people have an issue with Starfire being black, even though she's really orange in the comic books. She's not even fucking human, but I digress. This look is inspired by her, and to the actress playing Starfire, you do you, boo-boo. You do you, boo-boo. Okay? I would just talk to the costume department about that wardrobe, though, because they made you look like a Hunts Point hooker, and that was not fair. Everything else was great. Hair was fantastic. I thought it was amazing. Color scheme was, of course, perfect to Starfire. It's just the outfit. Nix the fur coat and shit. Otherwise, I thought the other characters looked pretty fine to me, but then again, you know, purists want to not be happy about anything anymore. So, anyways, let's get on with this tutorial. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our professional primer as per usual, and we're just going to put this right on the face. Okay, so I decided to do my eyebrows off camera. I usually do them off camera because I really don't feel like dealing with the whole spiel. If you want to see me do a video on just my eyebrows and how I do them, then, you know, leave a comment, sound off, and let me know. Keeping this sweater on because of any of the setting powder, but we're going to go right into our Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And it's some relatively simple colors on Starfire. We're going to just hit up some of this red, maybe a little bit of this pink, but we're going to definitely hit up a lot of these purples just for the crease, because she's got three colors: green, purple, red. Green is for her eyes and for the color of her energy bursts, and purple for obviously the outfit, and then red for her hair. Should be relatively simple. We're going to throw a little bit of orange in there too, but that's all going to go on the crease, so you'll be able to see a lot of those colors. And we'll probably throw a lot of the dark red underneath because I want to like really let the purple and the green shine. Those are the two main colors you think of when you think of Starfire. So we're going to start hitting up on these colors. Just give me a second to get everything prepared and we can start the tutorial fully. Okay, so since my eyes are primed already, we're just going to get started. I already named, pointed out the colors. We're going to just start with the orange, and we're going to just pop that in as a transition color. Okay, next we're going to build it up, and we're going to hit up this red right here, and we're just going to load up the brush and place it right on top. Okay, so now that we've got the basic orangey reddish color, what we're going to do is we're going to start adding the purples. Now, we're going to grab a more finer brush. We're going to use this one. It's Tainted Blue because a lot of the blues somehow dye my brush. So we're just going to go right in to this pink a little bit, and we're going to just use it to build up the purples. Oh. Next step is we're going to start building up that purple. So we're going to hit up these two purples, and we're just going to start putting that on the crease, and we want to build up a nice purple crease. Okay, so now that we've got the kind of base of what we're going for, you can see like the color transitions kind of into the orangey red. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut the crease. Did I forget to tell you this is a cut crease look? It's a cut crease. Okay, so now entonces we got all this all together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the green on, and then I might just go back with a little purple just to kind of deepen the crease. But for now, what we're going to do is, now that we cut the crease, we're going to go right into our palette, and we're going to hit up this bad boy green because this is the perfect green. And we're going to hit up a little bit of this. We're going to use this one towards the inner corner to kind of blend it with the purple. Do not confuse this look with the Monster Binky or the Patrick Starfish. This is a completely different look, and I'll try and add something to kind of make it look a little bit more different, like Starfire-ish. Okay, so now that we've got the green on, we're gonna hit up that darker green I was telling you guys about, this one, and we're gonna place it in between the purple and the green, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw a bit of this darker blue teal color. We're gonna just go right into 1, 2, 3 and blend it into the purple. Okay, so we're gonna go right into that fluffy brush that we used to add like the purples and the pinks, and we're just gonna hit up this dark royal blue color and this even darker color and mix it with that purple, and we're gonna just put it right on the outer corner. Okay, so I applied the white liner, and now we're gonna just add eyeliner and mascara. Okay, so I'm gonna wait on the mascara so I could do the rest of my face because I have a funny feeling that the powder is gonna get on the, yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right into our Fenty Beauty. It's all right. It oxidizes funny, but we're just gonna pop it on there. We're just gonna put it together. Next, we're gonna highlight, and we're gonna grab our Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, we're gonna grab our brush, and we're just gonna buff it all out. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying a new technique. I'm just gonna take my brush, and I'm just gonna dip it right into my Hoola Quickie contour stick and add the contour that way. Okay, now we're gonna take our Airspun, and we're just gonna set all this cream. Okay, so taking this, we're just gonna pop in our contours. We're gonna use 2 brushes. We're gonna use this fluffy brush for all this, and then we're gonna use this flat brush, kind of. We're just gonna do the nose and define like the chin. Okay, so we're heading into the home stretch. What we're gonna do is we're going to go back into our Take Me Back to Brazil, and we're gonna hit up this red color, and we're gonna add a bit of this red and then a little bit of this orange, and we're gonna put that right underneath our lash line. Okay, so if it seems like I'm rushing a little bit, it's because the warning lights have gone on already. That means that I only have like 5 minutes. So we're just gonna stick on our mascara. This is a sample of Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes, which I've been really, really liking lately. All right, last but not least, we're gonna go right into our Moonchild palette. What I am going to do is, because this is like a pretty much purple and greenish look, we're gonna go with 2 colors. For the inner corners, we're gonna hit up Purple Horseshoe. And then for everything else, we're just gonna add Lucky Clover. Okay, so you're probably wondering, did she forget the blush? No, I didn't. I saw another makeup artist actually apply the blush after the highlight, which helps soften up the brilliant bright of the highlight. So that's what I'm gonna do here. We're gonna go right into our Amazonian 12-hour clay blush in Natural Beauty. Okay, for the lips, I didn't want to go too crazy, so we went into our matte liquid lipstick Care Bear in Share Bear, and we're going to just put that on the lips. And don't forget to throw gloss on it, because if you have this, you know how important gloss is. This stuff gets really cakey and sticky. Okay, I'm gonna just grab my Ulta Butter Balm in Goldilocks, and we're just gonna throw it right on top. And this is the completed Starfire look. I added the stars, which are pretty hideous because I was using the Razor liquid liner in Bump from Urban Decay, and for some reason, because it's so old and cakey, it really didn't translate the stars well. The lines came out fine, but yeah, some stars just don't look as Starfire-y as I wanted them to look. But this is the completed Starfire look. Yes, I know it looks like my Monster Binky look, and it also looks like my Patrick Starfish look. But that's why I added the graphics so that you could tell the difference. Starfire, haha. Anyways, this is the finished look. As you can tell, I have a love for comics. I have a love for cartoons, especially the old Teen Titans, which are coming back and I'm super excited about. Not too happy about the new DC show, which is fine because I'm not spending any money on this new DC streaming service anyways. Although that whole, you know, Robin saying fuck Batman thing kind of really had me intrigued. But other than that, I wasn't really too happy with how it looked. So it is what it is. Still won't stop me from reading comics, still won't stop me from being a comic book fan, but you know, some of us have our limits. So with that being said, I am the broke beauty guru Lexa Rose. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you enjoy all my tutorials. And if you ever feel the need to want to donate, or if you want to hit me up for a product affiliation, please let me know in the comment section. If you want to ever purchase anything from Drip Cosmetics, please use code LEXAR to get 10% off your order. I also have affiliate with Poppy Apparel, so if you want to save 10% off your order, just use Lexa10 for them. I will leave the links down below in the comments, in the description, so take a look and buy whatever you want. I am the broke beauty guru, the ring queen, Lexa Rose, and this has been another episode of Wrestling with Beauty, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.